All right, everybody, welcome back to Automobile Passion, and we're sitting in the Volvo again because today we're actually gonna start taking it apart. And waiting on Connor for the keys, but we're gonna take it apart at the Starbucks. We're gonna take it apart today and hopefully fix it. You think we'll be done by like 2 o'clock? All right, cold start. Ah, come on. No. Okay. Sounds good. And look, no lights. Bro, this car was very nice until the last owner got their hands on it. I still haven't showed you the Carfax, huh? The second owner, bro, drove it for the last like 13 years and only put 2,000 miles a year. Who puts on? Huh? Yeah, she made it this morning. Yeah. Where do you want to park it? It's on the concrete. All right, I'm gonna move it. Fuck, there's no cup holders. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so there's no metal.
No, it's there all right.
I don't see metal.
I see.
You happen to have a screwdriver by any chance I can use real quick? Oh. Ah. Wonder what that is. And you said it sparkles in the sun?
Yep.
So what, in your expertise of rebuilding transmissions, what is that?
That's clutch.
So you think that's probably why it won't go past first gear?
Yep.
Gotcha. That's probably second gear clutch. Because it goes in limp mode in third gear, right?
Yeah.
So the third gear clutch is okay. So that's probably the second gear clutch, the second clutch pack. And describe to the people at home, since YouTube doesn't have smell-o-vision, how did this smell as we were draining this oil?
Like booty.
It smells like badussy. It's pretty bad. But yeah, that's horrible. But I don't know if you guys can see down there. That's the inside, and honestly, it doesn't look bad on the inside. So, and this engine's like really clean underneath. There's like zero leaks. So, well, now there's a massive leak, So yeah, well, there we got our answer. It's definitely the clutches that are, I thought it could be the solenoids, but yeah, it's not the solenoids. Or maybe they're clogged. You know why they're clogged? Because they're full of clutch. You want to describe to the people at home why this happens on every single XC90 with this engine, the T6 all-wheel drive?
It's a lifetime transmission, bro.
Oh, what's a lifetime transmission?
It means that the transmission lasts a lifetime.
It's only got 80,000 miles.
That's a lifetime. That's a lifetime according to GM.
Yeah, it's a GM transmission, 4-speed. It's a 4T65E. Oh man. Well, now we know why it was abandoned. Because in the pictures of the auction, this thing had California plates. So it probably broke down like on the highway somewhere. Like the clutch had been bad. Finally gave out, and yeah. But it's had new struts put on it, German strut sacks. That's crazy, man. They're gas pressurized sucks. Oh my god. So Connor, what's our next move?
Wipe the whole car on.
Oh, you mean put a rag in the gas tank?
Yeah.
But no, seriously, so you think subframe's gotta come out? Or you think we could just get away with maybe jacking the engine up?
We're gonna have to probably pull the subframe.
Pull the subframe? Well, that doesn't sound fun. I mean, that guy didn't pull the subframe. No, the guy you showed me in the video?
Well, he had like, for some reason he had like a whole car apart.
And he said in the comments that he was going to put it back together. But the thing is, like, this all was missing. I don't know how that's missing. That's the frame rail. So, and a fun fact about this car, I pulled the Carfax on it, and I'll show you guys once I get back to my house because I have it there. This car, it wasn't built in the States. This car originally came from Sweden. I know it sounds like crazy, but the car originated from Sweden. Like, Volvo in 2003 imported this car to the States and used it as a corporate or demo car or whatever for like 3 or 4 years. And then after the last guy that owned it, he's had it for like the last 12 or 13 years, and he only put like 2,000 miles a year. Literally, the Carfax says like 2,000 miles a year. Who drives a car 2,000 miles a year? That literally means they didn't go anywhere. Maybe it was like some old grandma that just never drove. Who knows? Well, regardless, it's pretty bad. But yeah, all right, you guys, I'll reconvene with you guys in a second once me and Connor get a game plan, and then I'll close out the video back at my house because I want to show you guys the Carfax. But all right, so what's going on, everybody? So I finally made it home. It's been a while. I had to go run errands after, so it's been probably like 5, 6, something like that hours. So it's been a while, but so I just kind of wanted to close this video out. And so the reason that transmission, that we have to rebuild it, is, for any of you that don't know, for the 2003, I think up until like 07 or 08, until Volvo updated it, they used that 4-speed transmission that was paired with the inline 6, which our SUV has. The inline 5 had a different, better, it was a 5-speed, better transmission, way better than this 4-speed garbage. But this 4-speed is a GM transmission. Its code name is 4T65. Yeah, 4T65. And it's absolute fucking garbage. It's horrendous. But every single one of these XC90s T6 with the inline 6 with this transmission, it fails. At 80,000 miles or 100,000 miles, or even lower than that, it fails. All of them fail. It doesn't matter if you baby it, it'll fail. The clutches just weren't strong enough, and I think from what I read online, and I'm not a Volvo expert, you guys know I'm Mercedes, but the transmission apparently isn't strong enough to handle the torque or the power, some BS like that the clutches just get worn out prematurely, and it's too much strain on them, and it slips too much. It's something to do with like the way it's programmed. It's just, it's a nightmare. Okay, this started off as we're gonna do a quick flip, we're gonna buy this thing, clean it up, replace the freaking rearview mirror, and we're gonna make some money. And now it's turned into like this whole thing. I ordered a rebuild kit, and it's actually downstairs, and it's not a bad kit. It's pretty nice, actually, you know, very well. I'm gonna put the link of the people that I bought it from in the description. So if you guys have this car, have this problem, the kit's there. It is a lot of work. You basically either remove the transmission, or you kind of jerry rig it to where you can take the valve pan off and get the clutches out. You guys will see. I'll record every step. So yeah, thank you guys all so much for watching. I know this week is, again, another really long video, but I've been just hammered with school and work. So yeah, I'm hoping that hopefully next week we can at least get the clutches out so we can get that done, because we can only really work on it on the weekends because we're both really busy. So yeah, and then after that, clean it up. I want to fix the seat because it's got a tear in it, and the interior's kind of beat up, which is weird. Honestly, I think the last person that owned it, they had it for about a year before us, the third owners, and they really didn't take care of it well. They kind of beat it up. This one was a very nice car before that. I mean, it has parking sensors, the tow package. It's fully loaded. Literally the person, or not person, because Volvo, as I said, owned this car originally. This is like the highest spec XC90, you know, you could have gotten. It has literally every single box ticked on the options list. So it's a nice car. But we got to make it nice again. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and I hope you all have a great day.